Okay, so the fastest way for me to get to Creator Studio is just typing it into Google and click on the very first link. And then when we get here, we're automatically greeted with the Facebook portion, and then you can click here to go to Instagram. But we'll start with Facebook. It's really simple to schedule. Just click on post something, and then this side is going to slide out. And my Wi-Fi is being slow. Great. Okay. Facebook scheduling test. And you have all these options that you can add to this post. And once you're done, you can add emojis, you can add links, and it will all still be able to get scheduled. So let's just put a little smiley face. And you can share now, but we want to schedule. So we're going to click on this little drop down that actually pops up, and we're going to click schedule. And you just come in here, pick the date you want. Let's do the 14th at 9 a.m. and schedule. And then we come over here and we click schedule. Post successfully scheduled. And to see what you have scheduled, you come into this little post section right here and click on the 7 scheduled posts, which now we should actually have 8. And then it's right here, the third one in the list, because it's going to display in date order. Now we don't want this to schedule, obviously, so I'm just going to delete it right now. We highlight on it and cancel schedule. And canceling the schedule removes it to a draft. But if we click delete, it will permanently delete it. If we would have just canceled the schedule, it would end up on this drafts tab, which this is from a previous recording. Delete. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Now, so that's how you schedule on Facebook. If we go into Instagram, we can go create posts. You can do an Instagram feed or an IGTV. We'll just do the feed because it's similar. You write your caption here, write Instagram caption here, the caption, and then you can do add location, which we will just type. And to add content, you can't actually drag and drop. You have to actually click add content. And we are going to do from file upload. And then let's just go into recent and choose that. Because this is a PNG, it's got a black background. And then so that's if you want to do one. And then we delete this, and if we want to do multiples, we can do that too. So let's just say 1, 2, 3 posts, choose. They're all there, and these are very small, that's why they look blurry on here, but you can come over here and change the different cropping like that. So let's say save, and now we scroll down. Now if you want this to also post on Facebook, all you have to do is click right here. So it'll schedule for both. But we don't want it to publish right now, so we're going to do schedule. And Friday, that's fine. And here you don't want to click publish. I made this mistake. You're going to click on this drop down arrow, and you also have to schedule the Instagram. So you have to make sure you put the inputs for the scheduled dates on here, and they can be 2 different dates if you want as well, but this way you get to schedule Facebook and Instagram at the same time for the same post, even if you want to do different dates and times. And then yeah, once everything looks good, you can click schedule. Your post is being scheduled. Okay, Facebook is successful, and your post has been successfully scheduled. So that's the Instagram success upload. Same thing here to delete. You come here, just delete. And then to delete Facebook, we would switch to Facebook. Come here and delete that one. So now I want to run into just, showing you guys the IGTV, because when you upload videos to the regular feed, like if we were to go here and do Instagram feed, you have to upload a video that's between 3 and 60 seconds. So if you have something that's longer than 60 seconds, it's obviously going to have to be Instagram TV, or unless you have it broken into different video sections already that are 60 seconds and under, so you can do multiples at a time. So Instagram TV, I'm going to come here. You can upload your file here, write your text, just the title, and then your descriptions right here. Again, you can add emojis, and then here's the option to put it onto your actual feed as well, so it shows up in the regular timeline and on your regular page versus just being on the IGTV tab. And then here's the option to add it to your Facebook page as well. And then right here is the schedule and saved as draft, and it's pretty straightforward. And that's how you schedule your content on Facebook and Instagram. Tomorrow we'll do Pinterest.